All right, so this is the first official, right? This is the first official fish to be weighed in, right? Yep. On Saturday for the week-long tournament?
First 2 fish.
Did you see the one last night that came in?
Yeah,
50
pounds. That was nice.
Well, let's see what we got here.
Yay. First we got the 35.
Wow.
There he is.
Wow.
35 pounder.
That's awesome. That's 35?
35. Then we got the 41.9.
Wow. Man, and what's the total weight on this?
41.9.
41.9.
Right there.
Man, those are some awesome fish. And what do y'all, what's your favorite way to fix them up? Favorite recipe? Fry them?
Deep fry them.
You ever marinate them? Like Italian dressing or anything?
I throw them on the grill, but it just seems to do better frying.
Yep,
like
best fry. Well, those are some awesome fish. Y'all's names?
Steve Perkins.
Cody Paglia.
Very good. And y'all fish till around midnight, huh?
Yep, we fished till around midnight. The bite was good around 10.
Peelers?
Chowders and a little bit of crab, not much. That's what we were getting them on. We tried crab, nothing was getting it. Clam, nothing was getting it. Put a little teeny bit of crab.
Yeah, I did it.
Clam, and then did it.
Well, good luck.
Yep.
So we're looking at an 80 pounds, 3 ounce behemoth. Is that what this is?
That's it. That's it.
Black drum.
Yep.
Wow, I'm just so nervous looking at something. I've never seen a drum this big.
Yep, my first citation. I've had one that was 76 pounds, but this is the first one citation.
Wow, unbelievable. Going to give any secrets here at the tournament as to where you got him? In Chesapeake Bay or the ocean?
We'll just say local waters.
Local waters. Were you fishing both clams and peelers?
Yep, clams and peelers, and he hit a combination of the two.
Really?
Yep.
So you fix a little sandwich, huh?
A little sandwich. Yep. Put a little bit of everything on there and try to bump the odds.
Was this a morning bite or overnight?
No, this was overnight.
This was overnight?
Yep.
A middle of the night kind of deal, or?
Yep. Middle of the night kind of deal. That's when they like to bite.
Wow, that's incredible. Unbelievable. You're leading the tournament here on Saturday, the first day.
We're glad to be doing it.
Well, congratulations. That is just tremendous. Wow. Unbelievable. So a total of 3, huh?
Yeah. We hooked the bigger one, but you know how that goes.
Oh yeah, about 42 pounds, you said is the largest?
44.6 is the largest, and 42 something.
Oh, grab that big boy if you can. Are y'all using peelers?
Sea clams with a little bit of a peel. Grab him, huh?
Sea clam with a little bit of a peeler.
That's right.
Doing the combo, huh?
Doing the combo, the little sandwich.
Well, you know, when we're here for the weigh-in for the 80 pounder, that's what he was doing.
Right.
So he was doing a little bit of both.
We'll go on the ground with this. We're going to go to the ground. Let's pick it up.
Wow. What do you think, Jazz? There's some beautiful fish.
Good eating there.
Oh, man. Yeah, tell me about it.
Hold that big one up. They're both about the same, really.
So, how deep of water y'all catching these things in?
We're right there in the end, on the Machiponga end of it.
Right.
About 20 feet of water.
About 20 feet of water?
20, 25, yeah.
Wow, that's excellent.